If you have multiple objects or drawings on your chart and you want to synchronize them, here's how to do so. Simply click Command on Mac or Control on Windows and select all of them first. Now once you do that, right click, head over to Object Tree up top. Here's the most important part. Anywhere on the blue portion of your screen, simply right click and then click on Create a Group of Drawings. Now, let's click out of the object tree, go up top to the taskbar. You can now change the color for one thing and everything else will get changed. Even text. And if you start moving one, everything else also starts moving. Have a great day, guys.